And just like that, we're back. What's up, everybody? Carolina Keith, Professor Keith, Keith the Simp. God, I hate Keith. Keith, what a jerk. Oh, man, I love you, Keith. Whatever, just Keith. I'm cool with any of that other stuff. Got a haircut, shaved, look younger, don't look like I'm homeless anymore. Already going bald. You guys knew that. Good to see everybody. Welcome back. Going to talk a little bit tonight about dollar cost averaging. Again, many times people have asked me about it. Many times I try to explain to people what my basic strategy is with dollar cost averaging, how I do it, and when is the right and wrong time to do it. What is the purpose of it? How can you capitalize from it? What can you do to make it better? Well, we'll explain all that tonight. Okay. Everyone's going to have a different situation. Everyone's got a different amount of money. So nothing that I say is going to necessarily apply to everyone. Okay. And I understand that. So please don't take it as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an asshole on the internet. Okay. But I have a lot of useful data that I think can help everyone. So we're going to talk about it tonight, and I'll kind of explain my position and how I go about doing what I do. All right. Who all's in here real quick? If you haven't done so, please go hit like. They're free. Why not? Free likes, everybody. Whee! Free likes. That's right. So also, here's the link to the video if you guys want to share this about Twitter or your favorite social media platforms or Reddit. Boy, those guys will be pissed. Ooh, I don't do Reddit, so whatever. If you want to, you can, but I'm not gonna. All right, let's see who all's in here and say, hey, what's up to Crypto Ricardo, bro? What's up, dude? Good to see you. Frog with a hat. What's up, my friend Leandro? He says, hello, assassins. Well, hello. Guat Ken says, hello. Good to see you, Mr. Jeremy Moreau. What's up, dude? Frank, what's up, Frank? Good to see you. Brother Beal, what's up, my friend? Jag says, just in time. Let's fucking go. Yeah, let's go. Terry Brennan, what's up? What's up, Stifler, bro? What's up, Connolly? He says, hey, fan, long time, been busy. Miss you too, brother. Hey, we'll talk after. Get a sip of water. I'm not drinking tonight. Why? Because I got to get up early in the morning. Yeah. Terry Brennan, again, what's up? What's up, John Darth? Good to see you, brother. Shorty Guzman. Leandro says, fresh fade. Yeah, bro, fresh fade. Fresh fade. I got it sharpened up a little bit. Hold on a second. I'm getting text messages. There we go. Liam, what's up, brother? Good to see you. Trade fails. My 9X on bat from last week got liquidated. Full disclosure. Ouch, dude. Gotta set them stop losses, brother. Always set stop losses. Rick Husky, bro, is that Bones? What's up, dude? You guys don't know Rick, but I do. Me and him go way back. One of his kids is a senior in high school, dude. Whoa. Bro, we are getting old, homie. Old. Oh, Lord. Oh, goodness. Man. Me and Rick go way back. What's up, Rick? Good to see you again, brother. What's up, Danny? Good to see you, Danny Deep Pockets. What's up, Miss Kelly Slade? Is that the high and tight? Nah, bro. This is a 3 on top and 1 on the sides, homie. I did it myself. I don't pay nobody to cut my hair. I'm a cheapo. Gandalf the Gray, what's up? Osukia, good to see you. Ryan Sobiek, good to see you. Rug, bro, Rug is in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Hit like. Yeah, why not? Currently, the market's doing a little puke. Ugh, sorry. Kind of trash. Yeah. My trash man does that, by the way. Like 4 flats on a Cadillac, bro. We go way back, bro. That's awesome, dude. The kids aren't going to get that one, but I get it. So what is dollar cost averaging? Well, we've talked about this before. I'll just jump right into this. Dollar cost averaging is, what's up, Ignacio? Dollar cost averaging is what you do when you're trying to add to your position to lower the overall cost of what you've bought in an effort to bring the cost down and initiate profits sooner. All right. What this does is it increases your position in said asset, whatever said asset is, doesn't really matter. But that asset will then appreciate in value over some period of time. And as that appreciation happens, you'll make more money. That's the way it's designed to work, okay? That's what dollar cost averaging is supposed to be. Problem, all right? People are trying to do this in crypto. The problem with trying to do this in crypto is it's not exactly the same, okay? Crypto is very cyclical. meaning there are cycles that are happening. And because there are cycles happening, you should be playing that cycle and not just throwing your money in. Also, what I'm going to speak on goes on liquidity a little bit, okay? So many people are, by the way, what I say when I mean liquidity, so many people are constantly injecting cash into the system, right? And buying more tokens and buying more of whatever they're buying because the prices are dropping. You know, we want to get more. We want to buy that discount, which is untrue. We want to buy support. We want to buy an uptrend. We don't want to buy downtrends, which is what people are doing right now. And trend identification we've went over before. It's not that difficult to understand how to identify a trend rather rapidly and find that trend. The thing is, you're constantly putting cash in and constantly putting money in, and you don't have anything to show for it. And we've went over this before. I got the AVAX chart pulled up right now because the trends are fairly simple to follow. I'll mark it out real quick. You had a high and a low, and then a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low. And that's all an uptrend, folks. Excellent. Problem. We started a downtrend. We had a high and a low and then a lower high. And because we had a lower high and we didn't make a higher high or a higher low, well, we've got a downtrend. And that means that it's time to sell somewhere in here and get the hell out and stop. Well, if we're selling because the chart says sell, which it does say, and we'll go to the daily chart right here and I'll show you that. 8 and 21 EMA right here says, oh, I accidentally drew on that. 8 and 21 EMA right here shows you that you had a sell signal right here on April 9th, 2022. Told you to sell AVAX because it was going to get bad. That was on April 9th. Did anybody sell on April 9th? April 10th? April 11th? April 12th? If you did, you saved at least 78% of your portfolio. 78% you would have saved. You'd have had that money in reserve. What did you do? Did you perhaps hold and lose 78% of your value? And then as this drops, you keep going, nah, I believe in the people. I believe in the team. I want to buy and buy and buy and buy and buy and buy, 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 buy. Yeah, no thank you. How about we just buy one time? What do I mean? Well, instead of doing all this constant chasing and injecting cash, I'm the kind of person who gets cash out of the ecosystem. Well, how do you do that, Keith? Well, you sell the top and you buy the bottoms. And when you sell the top, now you have liquidity. You have cash in hand or tokens in hand or stable coins in hand. And you have cash to inject into a chart or into an asset, whatever that one is. And as you see, AVAX here isn't a buy. It's a bad example. A better example is Waves. Okay. Waves was a buy right here. And then it turned into a sell a couple days later. But you understand this is the downtrend. This is the way this works. It's all going to come down faster than it's going to go up. By the way, YouTube is asking me to put in ads. I'm not going to do that. That's dumb. They're already going to throw ads in here anyway. So no thank you. But point is here, you're constantly putting money in and taking nothing out. You have nothing to show for all the time you've spent in this ecosystem. What are you going to get out of it? When are you going to make some money? Everyone loves to talk about how much money they've made, but they don't have anything to show for it. I made $200,000 on AVAX. Where's your money? Well, it's still in AVAX. You didn't make shit. You have unrealized profits. And in fact, you've lost 78% at least of those unrealized profits. When are you going to call a spade and stop? When are you going to stop? You're just going to keep failing forever and having to constantly put cash in? Do you have the money to constantly put cash in? Most people don't. I'll be honest with you. The world's kind of shitty right now. A lot of people don't make enough money to pay rent. How the hell are you constantly going to keep adding money and adding money? That's like the 1% of the 1% who can do that. Are you them? Probably not. So you need to change your strategy. You need to do something that works from now on. Well, what works? Well, I'll tell you what works. Technical analysis works. We do this all the time. We do this every Tuesday and Thursday minimum. Okay. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we come in here and say exactly the same things over and over again. What's a buy? What's a sell? What's a buy? What's a sell? We have a very high success rate. How do I know we have a success rate that's very high? Because I do this for a living. I do this for a living. How would I do that if I didn't take profits? If it didn't work, no one would be watching. You ever think about that? Or is it just me making some shit up, hoping I get more followers? What's that going to get me? A pat on the back? I don't want a pat on the back. I want to make as much money as I can. I want to help you make as much money as you can. That's the whole point in all this. Dollar cost averaging in something that's an uptrend is the correct way to do it. And what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you. We'll use Algorand for the example. All these red circles are downtrend, 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 downtrend. Okay? Bad. All the green circles over here are uptrend. Every time we have a high green circle, cool. When the low green circles come in, if you want to inject some cash, knock yourself out. You will have done it 1, 2, 3, 4 times in this particular uptrend on Algorand. As soon as that uptrend stops, by the way, how did you know when it was going to stop? Failed the trend line. It broke the trend, started a downtrend. Matter of fact, right about this time, those red circles start coming in. You see that, everybody? It's almost like TA works. Once those red circles start coming in and it starts a downtrend, it's time to stop. It's time to stop sending money into the system. Now, instead of buying this asset, if you still want to put cash into the system, buy a stablecoin. Buy USDC. Buy USDT if you want. Buy the stablecoin of your choice. And wait for this chart to bottom out. And then once we see an uptrend that clearly has not happened yet, we buy with those stable coins that we saved up. Now you're dollar cost averaging on an uptrend and not a downtrend, and you're buying very close to the bottom. You got one of the best prices possible. That's the beauty of using technical analysis to dollar cost average and not just throwing money at the wall and hoping it sticks. I got news for you, everyone. You're not just going to be a millionaire. That's not how this works. That's not how investing works. You don't just throw money around and become a millionaire. That's a lie. Everyone who's told you that on crypto Twitter lives with their mom. They're not millionaires, folks. Use your brain. Do you really think crypto Twitter is going to be full of millionaires that aren't celebrities? No. Okay, you can do better. All right, let's go answer some questions real quick. All right. So, yep, fresh cut. What's good, Keith Capri, bro, Liam? He knows what's up. I usually have my Capri Sun, adult Capri Suns over here. I just don't have none right now. Why is Chuck Liddell on? Shut up, John. You're getting booed for that one. Your thread on DCA is very clear, but I thought it would be constructive to bring it up. Oh no, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. I have nothing, no qualms about that at all. Evening people, what's up? Good to see you. Let's see. Savagely Trading says, what's up, brother? Good to see you, Mr. Tony, the Node Savage. What's up, Papa Nick? We can start now. The buy the dip mentality. Yeah, no thanks. Nick is here. We can start now. I know, right? A lot of folks believed in the strong, and then it came to a slow rogue pull. Now all you read is positive feedback on Twitter. I know, right, dude? Exactly. And I kind of try to check people when I can to keep it real. People don't like to be told that they were wrong. Life's great and CO. Good to see you, brother. It gives you that beer money. I don't mind the ads at all, mate. Nah, it's all good. I give that money away on Google. Any money I make from YouTube or Google gets given away. Unrealistic, my ass. I take profit at the end of year 2021. You damn right. Lost $13 yesterday. That's not bad, folks. USTC. What's up? What's up, Terry? Good to see you, brother. Show me the money, Jerry Maguire. 100%, bro. Hit like, please. Yeah, bro, hit like real quick. Why not, dude? They're free. 56 people watching, 38 people liked. Go hit like. They're free. It's almost like TA works. 100%. Love from Cali. Oh, Danny Carney. Excellent point. You shared a tweet from James Pelton. Interestingly enough, tomorrow's stream won't be at 1 o'clock. We'll be on James Pelton's channel. I think it's 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 o'clock. We'll be on James Pelton channels live. He put out there he wanted to talk to some TA people and potentially learn some technical analysis. So the time is upon us. So tomorrow, 12 o'clock, Wednesday, we're going to do some TA on James's channel. Now, I hope it works out, and I hope he's open-minded, because a lot of people are closed-minded to technical analysis. Boggles my mind why that would be. I'm just a normal guy like you or anyone else. You can turn a little bit of money into a lot of money, okay? As long as you use your brain and use the chart. So we'll be on that tomorrow. I'm going to send out a link as soon as I get it tomorrow in the Discord, and we'll put it on Twitter. I made a little video clip right there. I'll put that video clip on Twitter as well. Let everyone know that we're doing that tomorrow. Come and hang out and watch. So you can live with your mom and level up. Bro, maybe you can, but I definitely can't. My mom heard you and wanted to say hi. Stupid dude. What's up, Trade Fails mom? Why is Luna pumping today? It's up 9%. It's not pumping at all. And I don't think it's pumping at all. I don't believe in the words pump or dump. I don't think they're necessary to use. I think it's down about 90%, and it needs to come up a long ass way. John said, "Ice man got rug burns from strong." I know it, bro. Hope you still have that Mustang. 100%. I've got the Mustang. In fact, Rick, I'm trying. Bones is asking about my Mustang. I'm trying my best to get the building built. We've got some property in Campobello, South Carolina. So I'm trying to get my building built. I'm going to build a 3-car garage down there. I got a couple lifts I'm going to get. I have the car in there, and I'll be able to put all the farm equipment and stuff that we have too in there. I'll document all that when we get there. Just shit's really expensive to build right now, so I'm trying to hold off on that. It's also expensive just in general. So I want to do it once and do it right. That'll also be where we build our eventual final home. I just don't want to do all that until I have the funds deadlocked up. During these bear markets, I'm trying to be careful with my spending. But of course I got it. I bought some parts too, and I've got them sitting, waiting on it. Get Pelton to talk about his shilling drip. Well, we can talk about it. We can talk about any chart he'd like. So the spot trends, the daily works fine, or is it better to start later? Always start monthly, weekly, daily, Ricardo. Yeah, he seems like a good dude, Danny. Exactly. And I think if you're a good dude and you want to learn, endless possibilities in this space. If y'all aren't coming to the Discord, get on it. I've learned more today alone than I did in a year of reading, buying, watching YouTube. My man. James is soft. Nah, maybe he's not. Maybe he's hardcore and you just don't know, right? And maybe everybody puts on a persona on YouTube that they don't necessarily give off. Okay? It's hard to tell about people sometimes. I try to be straight up here and be like, I'm my normal person, my normal self. LUNC is up 65% today. Can't understand why. It's also down a ton. That's part of the reason why. Yeah, there you go. It's up because of buying pressure. 100%. You still in Kings Mountain, Rick? Hope so. Your kids look great, by the way. I'm super happy for you, brother. I love seeing people succeed. It may not always be the easiest path in life to succeed. There's ups and downs, and life isn't easy. And, bro, me and you are both examples of life being hard. But you can come back from almost anything. You know me. I'm nobody special. You know that old piece of shit Escort I used to drive. So you guys know. Rick knows. We were in classes together. We hung out, smoked weed together, did drugs together, did everything together. I'm nobody special. I was a poor kid from the trailer park. Okay. Don't tell me what's not possible. Okay. Here I am on YouTube talking to the whole fucking world twice a week. 14,000 followers. It's weird as hell to me that someone would want to do that. At the same time, I get it because there's value there. So don't tell me what can't be done. Don't tell me what you can't accomplish. We can accomplish anything we want to do. Okay. Short of unrealistic shit. I'm never going to beat LeBron James one-on-one. I'm never going to be Michael Jordan. Never. Okay. I know that. I'm never going to be a billionaire like Warren Buffett. I'm not stupid. I get it. Same time, I can still live my life and do better than my previous generation did. And I can push that forward to my next generation, which is coming up like right now. Okay. And we can do better. My wife made me late. Can we start over, please? What's up, brother? Good to see you. My cousin right there, Jeremy, the fresh court. He knows. Hit that like button, please. It's free. Who in their right mind is buying one of that? I'm not touching that shit, brother. Yep. Got our house and everything paid off during the pandemic. Living on Easy Street these days. By the way, no mortgage. Yo. Somebody gets it. That's what's up, dude. We need to hang out sometime. Message me. You got my mess. You got me somewhere. You're on Facebook. Message me on Facebook Messenger or something, and we'll text a little bit. We'll go hang out sometime. I'm trying to get back and hang out with some more people, man. Honestly, dude, my life got crazy, and I blocked a lot of shit out, and I don't like that. So I want to get back and talk to some of the people I missed. Where else can you get instant feedback on things you're learning, thinking, discussing with tons of smart ass people? Well, aside from Keith, but he's learning. I'm learning that Liam can probably see your ass somewhere with them thick ass glasses he's got on. Applause for Rick, 100%, dude. Love it. Live to make it better for the next generation, 100%. So while we're here, we got 7 more minutes. Let's jump through the market real fast and have a gander. Bitcoin's still doing its thing. Absolutely nothing. You're still under the 8 EMA. You have no buy signal. If you have no buy signal, we do not buy. We only buy uptrends. This is clearly a downtrend. Even if we get the beginning of an uptrend, I want some confirmation. I want to see this green line right there. I want to see that green line cross this purple line. Has it gotten close? No, it has not. So relax. Have a beer. Think about it. Try to figure out what you're going to do next. Don't buy just random ass times. It doesn't work. Let's wait on some confirmation here. As you see, we're approaching the CME gap from December 11th, 2020. We haven't quite gotten it yet. That gap goes down to about 18,005. That's 100% possible. It could still happen. It's awful close. I mean, it's awful close. It might as well just go down there and smack it real quick and get it over with, right? I would agree. In fact, the 50% retracement line is right here around 17,000 flat. It's fully possible that it goes down there as well. One step at a time. Okay. Everyone loves to talk about how they called it. I called it. Shut up. I don't want to hear that shit. We call stuff all the time. There's no reason to brag about it. We can't go back and say, hey, look, I made this one. Good call. Let's see if I can find another one. Okay. I don't like to do the braggadocious stuff. Sometimes it's okay to flex, but constantly, no one's going to like that. Have several charts gotten stuck near when they cross 821 on one day? Yep. Bear market shit, Leandro. You're seeing it, bro. How do you feel about range trading? It seems like a lot of traders preach that on crypto Twitter. Ron, most people on crypto Twitter are full of shit. So block out most of them. If they're trading range, that means they're probably doing it on a very low time frame, and they're probably leverage trading. And if you can't spot trade very well, you probably shouldn't be leverage trading. And those people probably are just saying that they're doing it and not actually doing it. Okay. Part of what I do, I put all my trades and all my information on my Discord for everyone to see so that you know what I'm doing. I don't hide anything. Not very many people do that either, which is kind of embarrassing. But, you know, in the interest of being anonymous. But I'm very much not anonymous. Hey, my name's Keith. I live in upstate South Carolina. Right there's one of my friends. My cousin's on here as well. I hung out with the admins in multiple different places. I'm a real dude. I was too savage for social media, got off it all. That's why things are so nice to me these days. I'll get my wife to send, oh, are you talking about Elizabeth? I think I'm friends with Elizabeth on Facebook. Tell her to message me. Trader SC, Trader XO examples. I don't know who those dudes are, but I'll look them up. Okay. 9K for me, Darth Lab. Ooh, Terry says he likes $9,000 Bitcoin. I think that's really far down. If that's going to happen, it's going to take a really long time, and it's going to break that overall traditional historical trend line that it's never broken before, which is here. There. It's never broken that trend line. You see it there? Touch, touch, touch. Still riding it. We'll see if it fails it. If it goes down to 9,000, man, that's way the hell down here, way under the trend line. Also pushing through a lot of stuff, but it's possible. I'm not going to deny that at all. So let's be very careful here, okay? Let's tread very lightly. Each time we've had an 821 downward cross, shortly after that, things turn back bullish. We'll see what happens. I'll show you that historically right here. Several months later, bullish cross. Here, several months later, bullish cross. Here we are, about to have another downward cross. That would lend you to believe several months later, bullish cross. It's tough to call. Tough to call. What I know right now is there's no buy signal on Bitcoin. Buying now is throwing your money at the wall, hoping it sticks. I did, yes, crypto Twitter is cancer. Bro, 100%. What other go-tos do you use other than 821 EMA? 821 EMA is just my first indicator that tells me to buy. After that, it's Fibonacci retracement. I want to see what levels it's hit and what range it's in. After that, I want to check my other confluence indicators like the MACD, the RSI, and the pivots. Okay, those all give me a better range as well. Do those look like they've turned the corner? Are they overbought, oversold? Are they trending up or trending down? And if they're trending up or trending down, well, good. As you see here, Bitcoin on the monthly trending down. RSI, man, not great. It's not great. That RSI on Bitcoin, yeah, folks, not great. Trending down. Okay, heading towards the 40 line, which tells me it's possible it bounces. Sometimes it bounces around the 40 line, like historically. We'll see. Obviously, it tried to bounce the 50, just like it did here, and failed. We'll see if it can hold the 40. Pivots, put those up there. As you see, we've already blown through the S2 pivot, and I didn't even check it. It just blew right through it. There was no retest of it. 22,500 stuck. Okay, that's the max at that pivot, and those pivots are going to be there for the rest of the year. 17,000 is the 50 fib. It's fully possible. It's fully possible. It's already tested previous all-time high. It's fully possible it goes in there and tests 17,000 too. I have to play it day by day here. Terry, put it in reverse. I'm smoking and drinking right now. Yeah, bro, I bought some stuff the other day. Frank hooked me up. 3K BTC dart for 8 high time frame triple bottom. Ooh, damn, Drizzy. That's really low, bro. That's the Miami numbers right there. The fuel to 100K. I hear you. Anyone chasing pre-nodes July 1st, you need 4K pre. I've got 49 of them. I don't want to buy any more. I've already got enough. I'm straight up taking profits. Interesting. Do you use Bollinger Bands? Absolutely. Bollinger Bands are a really cool feature. Bollinger Bands, in my opinion, aren't the best thing to trade with, but they do show you range. Okay, which I like. Take everything else off here and just use the Bollinger Bands. There. Okay, so always start high time frame. As you see, the bands are quite wide and you're underneath the midline. That's generally bearish. Weekly, tighter bands under the midline. Bands are widening though, and that's not great. Riding the lower band, you'd like to see it riding the upper band. It's not doing that. The fact that the upper band hasn't stretched yet tells me that it could range to an upper point. The midline is all the way up at 32,000. There's a CME gap at 28,000. One of those is liable to happen. And the daily chart, kind of ranging. Nothing spectacular to write home about. Bands have gotten very tight, but it stayed under the midline. As you see, you can use it. I like bands to show me price action. When the bands get tight, we look for price action. When the bands are wide, we expect range. 17K was out of the historical channel. No. Depends on how you draw it. That trend line I just showed right there shows that, I'm sorry, right here. Trend line right there shows that historically, still in the channel. That channel would be drawn a little something like this. Okay, right at the bottom of the channel, right where you would want to buy, but we have no confirmation yet, so we can't buy yet. Can't buy yet. All these vertical lines are previous halvenings, by the way. Sweet. So, what do rewards look like? About 3 or 4 pre a day, or a few cents, maybe 50 cents a day. So, listen, that's been 30 minutes. I want to thank everybody for coming. 55 people or so watched. I don't really care how many come. Anybody who can help, whether it's one person or 0 or 1,000, doesn't matter to me. Reminder, Be on James Pelton's channel tomorrow on YouTube. I think it's going to be live. Maybe it's going to be recorded, but I think it's going to be live. I'll send everybody the link as soon as I get it. Thank you all for coming. I appreciate you guys. See y'all tomorrow over there. I'll leave you with this in the words of the late, great, notorious B.I.G. Y'all could have been anywhere in the world. It chose to be here with me, a nobody. I appreciate the hell out of that. Thank you all. See y'all on the next stream. All right. Y'all be good. Peace.